Reuse is really, really important. As individuals, we all have a responsibility to protect resources, and also corporately as organisations, we also need to do a lot more to promote reuse. So Bristol Waste Company, we're really trying to support reuse and repair across Bristol. We've set up some fantastic project partnerships across Bristol to make sure a lot of the items that are disposed at our HWRC sites are taken out of the waste stream and used for reuse.
Since partnership with Bristol Waste, we've been able to collect items that would normally have seen the end of their life, so things like pushchairs, scooters and skateboards. We've been able to put them into schools for children to play with. You'll see that we've got a den set up there, which is just pieces of material that actually the companies don't need to use because it's just end of lines, and actually that makes a perfectly good den. There's just so much to do with reuse.
The Bristol Bike Project have got a relationship with Bristol Waste, and so we now get bikes which have been essentially thrown away by the public, and we're able to take those bikes in and with our volunteers strip the good parts off them, put them in boxes, and then essentially rebuild them for our project users, who are some of the most marginalised people in Bristol society, really. So this relationship with Bristol Waste is a really powerful one, because I'm actually blown away by the things people throw away.
There's a huge demand for equipment, wheelchairs and other equipment for disabled people. For much of this equipment, it has a very long life. Equipment like wheelchairs, which can wear out, we repair through HM prisons. We have supplied to, for instance, a school in North Ghana where there were 11 and 12-year-olds who'd spent their whole life lying on quite a hard mattress. And if they can get wheelchairs, their life is actually transformed.
Things aren't necessarily junk. We can use things like bicycle wheels and turn them into musical instruments. And yeah, that's what we're here today for, is to start upcycling some junk.
There's loads that you can get involved with reuse-wise, and there's so many reuse organisations set up across Bristol. The Bristol Reuse Network has a whole list of organisations where you can take items to that you don't want to dispose of, but also you can do things yourself at home, and also really help support the reuse agenda by not necessarily buying new. You can buy second-hand items which are really high quality. If we all started reusing, I think it would be fantastic. It would really help to promote a circular economy. It'd reduce the impact on, well, the planet, the earth, landfills running out, and also in terms of supporting local communities, skills and things like that. So it would be a fantastic thing if everyone reused everything.